What do you think about the harmonica, guys? You want to hear? Sven. That's Sven. He's my sheep. I had to bottle feed him. He was my first bottle feeder. Let's see how he does with the sound of harmonica. This is his first day ever hearing a harmonica. My husband said, "Hey, play the harmonica for the animals. See if they react." I think he's bored. Maybe the harp is just not his instrument. Well, we'll introduce him to more instruments and see if he takes to one. Thanks for watching. Aloha.